That's Robbie Ray. Great. Guys, but it's 3 against 1.
That's kind of elaborate.
Well, obviously. That's our song. Isn't it? I can't hear you. My ears are full of melted brain. I kind of liked it. What'd you think? I think that's our song. Robbie Ray wrote that song for us. What are you talking about? Unbelievable. He ripped you off? Totally. Robbie Ray, then he lies to us. How bogus is that? I feel so used. You? I shared my nachos with that guy. I don't even want to see this guy again. I'm out. Sorry, guys. It's your song. Are we cool? We cool. You know our feelings? Nothing. That dude smells really good.
And that is what